Hi, welcome. Do you have an important event happening in the near future and you feel anxiety about it or fear about it? Maybe a presentation, negotiation, or a public speaking, or some kind of presentation. If the answer is yes, you are at the right place, my friend. You can reprogram your subconscious mind right now for your future event the way you want it to happen. Say, for example, you need confidence in your future meeting and you feel nervous about it right now. So you can do this exercise right now called Circle of Excellence. It's a powerful neuro-linguistic programming technique which you're going to learn here by doing it. So you are at the right place right now. So my friend, I'm Pradeep Agarwal from Institute of Mind Control Development, Hyderabad, India, and I'm a certified NLP trainer and a hypnotherapist. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, subscribe right now and remember to click on the bell notification to get notified every time we upload a new videos. And please share with your family friends. And if you have not seen my previous videos, I have more than 1,000 videos. Watch them. You will learn about hypnosis, NLP, law of attraction, and mind power. So let's get back to this technique on Circle of Excellence. Now, my friend, to do this exercise, you need to stand. You cannot do it sitting. You can do it, but it will not work well. So you need to stand. And if you're doing anything else, driving a vehicle, operating a machine or something, stop right now or stop the video. And when you are free, then only you do the exercise. So I'm sure you are ready now. So make sure if you are standing, make sure behind you at least there is a 2 feet space so you can move back and move forward 2 steps forward. So you can do the exercise correctly. You may need to close your eyes for a moment here. So make sure you are not doing any physical activity. And nobody should disturb you for the next 5 minutes. Yeah, that's a wonderful. Only for next 5 minutes. So my friend, are you ready now? So now please stand. Make sure you have a space behind you, at least 2 feet, so you can take 1 or 2 steps back. So now, as you are standing there, close your eyes and think about your future event. It may be interview, exam, public speaking, presentation. It can be, if you are a sportsman, any important tournament, match, pick up anything. That's right. I'm sure you picked up something, your future event. And now close your eyes, think about that future event and notice how you feel. Do you feel nervous, anxiety, fear, lack of confidence? Whatever it is, just pick up what you get there. Now, we are picking about something that you need more confidence, for example. Now you can change it to anything you want. So now open your eyes, stand there. And now, for example, you are going to give a presentation, you need more confidence, you feel anxiety right now, that if you lack of confidence, and if you have more confidence there, what will happen? You'll perform superbly, am I right? So now, close your eyes now again, and do this exercise. Close your eyes, take a deep breath, and relax. And as you take a deep breath and relax, I want you to go back in time in your past when you felt really confident. Now, it has nothing to do with the public speaking or anything. It can be any situation. You can go as back as you want in your life, maybe your early childhood, like playing, talking to your friends, doing something, some sports, whatever comes in your mind. Pick one right now, which is really strong. Go back to the time. See what you saw in your mind's eye. Feel what you felt that time. Notice what you are talking to yourself. What thoughts were coming in your mind, what was your focus, how you were breathing, how your movement, and what you were wearing that time. Relive this moment right now. Feel this wonderful feeling right now as if it is happening right now, and intensify this wonderful feeling and multiply it now. Really double it, the wonderful feeling. Triple it now. That's right. Keep your eyes closed. And now imagine as you're standing around you, on your feet, around you there is a circle. Give it a color, whatever color you are comfortable with. Add music and sound to it, whatever you are comfortable with. That's right. Intensify this wonderful feeling with the color and sound. Make it more powerful now. And now when the feeling is strong, I want you to do something very interesting. Leave the feeling into the circle Take one step back and open your eyes and look around. Look around. Yes, look around. And now look at your watch. If you're wearing a watch, what time it is, what time of the day it is, what kind of clothes you are wearing. That's right. I just wanted to break your state. And now, as you're standing outside of the circle, think about the future event. Now, when you think about the future event, you're not inside the event. For example, if you're entering into a meeting, you're just entering into the conference room. Or if you have to give a speech, your name is about to be announced. If it is an exam, you are entering into the examination hall. Just a few seconds before you enter, make a picture in your mind for the future event, and now step inside the circle. Step inside the circle with the picture in your mind, and now as you step into the picture, this powerful, confident feeling from the circle is wiping out all this wonderful feeling. This circle is so powerful. Feel that color, the sound, the circle, and you may even feel that some energy coming down from the floor moving up into your body. You're feeling all the negativity is gone and you're feeling calm, relaxed and confident. Now see yourself in the future event. If it is an interview exam, imagine the thing happened the way you want it to happen, superbly and confidently. Feel this feeling right now. You've done a wonderful job. And imagine you're coming out of that event right now and you're feeling fantastic. You have done a wonderful job. You really enjoyed and you felt really, really confident that time. Feel this wonderful feeling right now. And now, again, leave that feeling into the circle. Take one step back and open your eyes and look around. Look around, look around, look around, look around. Now, outside the circle, look around. And now, when you look around, and now again I want you to, outside the circle, I want you to think about that future event, which you just programmed right now. Think about the future event. If you feel confident and feel different than what you've felt before the first time when you thought about it, you have done a wonderful job. Now, whatever the feeling you have put on the circle, that will be linked to that future event. Now, I use here confidence. You can use patience, relaxation, whatever you want, you can put it in a circle of excellence. Now, if you feel that the circle is not made properly, do the exercise again, watch this video and do it 2 or 3 times. It all depends on what past event you have selected. Now, if you feel confident about the future event, you feel different, you feel more confident, it is done. You don't need to do it again. The moment you are there, about to enter, this powerful feeling will automatically come up because we have linked it to the future event. The moment you are there, without thinking, the confident feeling will come all over your body and mind and you perform superbly. Now, this technique is called Circle of Excellence. You need to program future event every time using the Circle of Excellence. Now, we use the word confidence here. We use the state of mind confidence. You can use anything. I'll just give you a small example. I work with a golfer, a very famous golfer. And when I worked with him, he had learned this technique. So one time I was playing a golf tournament, and the first day he didn't play well. So I asked him, why you didn't play well? What happened? He said, I was feeling this, I was feeling that. I said, okay. So I asked him, what state of mind you need tomorrow? He gave me few state of mind like aggression, clear thinking, whatever he said. I said, now imagine you are standing in front of your circle of excellence. And I asked him to imagine taking out this wonderful state of mind from his pocket and putting into the circle. The moment he put in the circle, the color changes. Now I asked him to taking a tee off next day morning. The golf is 18-hole golf course. They tee off from the hole number 1 mostly, or hole number 10. So I asked him to imagine he's getting ready for tee off, his name is announced, and then I asked him to step into the circle, feel that wonderful feeling with the same state of mind what he wanted to happen. And then I counted from 1 to 18, the 18 holes. I counted hole number 1, 2, 3, like 18, and linked all this wonderful feeling to all the 18 holes. And coming out, played wonderfully. And then the next day, he broke a course record. He played so well. This is such a powerful technique, my friends. You can use it. So, do this exercise few times, really master it, and remember, this your imaginary circle always there with you. Whenever you want it, you can imagine it there, the color there in front of you, and you program your mind. You can use it anywhere. So this is a very powerful technique in neuro-linguistic programming, NLP. Now my friend, NLP is a very powerful tool. I have developed a technique, recently developed a technique. I give a name to it, hidden resource activation. Now what does this technique mean? This technique is basically to activate any part of you. Right now what we have done? We have done and activated a part of you called confidence. So anytime you need confidence, you have to just think about the circle, step into it, you feel confident, right? Now, but there are a lot of different parts inside us, lot of resources inside us. With just a command, you can activate this. I've developed a very powerful technique. If you're really interested in it, let me know. Call to my number here. And my friend, do this exercise and ask your family member, your colleagues to do this exercise and watch this video so they can also get benefit out of it. So my friend, if you really liked it, please like the button, subscribe to my channel if you have not done it yet. Remember to click on the bell notification button to get notified every time we upload a new video. I'm looking forward to seeing you personally soon, and all the best for your future event. Type it and send me a message when you get a wonderful result from this exercise. So see you personally soon. Thank you very much.